Cosmic Shaman Ren. Yep.
Midiashe family, this is Cosmic Shaman Ren. Namaste. Yep. I see you on the cosmic tapestry of truth and healing. Get outside, enjoy nature, step into the essence of Mother Kai and what Earth has to offer you. Take in all of nature's wonders, all the things that were naturally here before you. Don't put all your time and energy into material or man-made things.
Peace, love,
This is your school
destiny,
and your playground, and treat it with respect. Take in all of its wonders. Listen to the birds.
Shaman Ren. Yep.
Feel the wind against your face, the sun on your skin. Receive those solar light codes. The time is now. Midiashe, peace, love, light, destiny, and truth.
Cosmic Shaman Ren. Yep. Stay the course. Tehila. Peace, love, light, destiny, and truth to all living beings here on Mother Kai. Peace. Ush.